OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984.
Brian Adams here with OnlyWoodFloors. We got a different one for you today, guys. Deep in the Hollywood Hills. I mean, look at this. Whew. Look at that. Just doing a small little room downstairs for a buddy of mine. We've done probably 10 different homes for this guy. Gary, he's an actor and stuntman, but this is turning this into a little apartment. We already yanked up the carpet and got ready. He bought the pre-finished, solid 3/4 inch thick, 2 1/4 wide natural flooring. We put up the carpet. We're laying it out. There's the gun that nails it down. And since we had an existing floor, we had to take a chalk line and make sure it's straight with that floor. No matter what these outside walls or the inside wall looks like, we need to make sure it was straight with this floor. All right, show you the finished product in a bit. Well, we are finished, and wanted to show you this is the old floor. So the most important thing is after all this stuff is moved and you walk in this door, you want these floors to line up. Your walls may never be straight, like it's a little small piece there, a big piece down here. This new sliding door that they put in is about a 1/2 inch off, but that will never be seen once the moldings and stuff in. What's going to be seen is how straight it is with the existing floor. All right, guys. Brian Adams, OnlyWoodFloors. Another great job. Call us up.